Hey there, design enthusiasts. Welcome back to another quick tutorial on Figma. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to align text perfectly within a text box. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, mastering this will make your designs look polished and professional. This is for Figma 2025, so we'll cover the latest features to keep you ahead of the curve. Let's jump right in. First things first, open up your Figma file and select the frame or artboard where you want to work. If you don't have a text box yet, go ahead and create one by clicking the T icon in the toolbar and drawing a box on your canvas. Now, type in some text to fill it up. The key to alignment is in the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. Once your text is in, select the text box by clicking on it. You'll see options for text alignment right at the top of the Properties panel. You can choose from left, center, right, or justified alignment with just a single click. For more precision, especially in complex layouts, head over to the Auto Layout feature. This is a game changer in Figma 2025. It automatically adjusts your text based on the container size. To use it, select your text box, go to the Design tab, and toggle on Auto Layout. Then, adjust the horizontal and vertical settings to ensure your text hugs the edges or centers exactly as you need. But wait, what if your text is overflowing or not fitting right? Don't worry, use the Resize to Fit option under the text properties to automatically adjust the text box. And for fine-tuning, hold down the Shift key while resizing to maintain proportions. Remember, alignment isn't just about looks, it's about user experience, so always test on different screen sizes. There you have it. Aligning text in Figma is straightforward once you know these steps. Practice this on your next project, and you'll see a huge difference. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Figma tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.